Hey, how's it going, guys? We are here at the bait and tackle shop in Florida. If you guys ever come down here, please come over and check us out at the shop. Get Hooked Bait and Tackle, 358 Story Road, outside of Orlando, right around Disney, the Harris chain of lakes. We have Lake Apopka less than 5 minutes down the road. Hundreds of fishing supplies loaded down with the Get Hooked Magic Baits. Today we're talking about spinner baits though. Spinner baits. Check us out online. Or come on down to the shop, Get Hooked Magic Baits, gethookedmagicbaits.com. This is the yellow chartreuse with a nice neon green, Colorado blade and willow blade, the gold and silver. We make these in different sizes and colors. You can get these online or right here at the shop. Top quality wire and quality fishing supplies. I'm going to show you guys. We're going to pop this off here. Show you guys, you can rig these up in so many different ways. Spinner baits are so versatile. They're great for fishing when the wind is out and it's pushing all the bait around. It's a very versatile bait. It can get in places and work when other baits can't, like flipping or deep diver or shallow water divers or things like that. A spinnerbait can get in there and wreak some havoc, when the wind's blowing and things are moving around, fishing around stumps and lay downs and rock edges and all different kinds of ways. It's a very versatile bait. You can also team it up with some of our baits. These are the 4.5 inch. We call this, I think that's the grape gold. We make these in 8 different colors. These are just 2 of the colors I have out. And then we also make them in a 3.3 inch. And just for today's tutorial, I'm just gonna pop this on here and show you guys how to rig this spinner bait. What I like to do is just flip that bait upside down, and then you're going to take this bait, and a lot of guys, they'll turn and flip this paddle upside down, but we're going to run it the typical way. That bait is you want to get them skirts out of the way. So I fold them down and kind of hold that, and then what you can do is just take that bait and just run it up in there and just kind of weave it all the way around and pushing it. And then also you'll see right up here on ours, we have the little hook. Right there is a little hook. It's a saver for your bait right there. So just keep sliding that up there. It's a hook keeper is what that's actually called. Run that bait until you get that up there close, and then go ahead and pop that out through the side right there. See it coming out, and then you're just going to take and turn and push that bait all the way up to the top, right onto that hook keeper, and get that bait nice and straight. Then you can put them skirts back down, and there you have it. And sometimes too, a lot of guys, they'll trim their skirts even with the bottom of the hook. This is going to be a nice little combo, and just for the purposes, heck, I would run that bait just like it is with that same color combo. Get over there online, get yourself this setup right there, gethookedmagicbaits.com. Top quality fishing supplies. This bad boy will catch fish. I think I would just go right out there and start catching today, as a matter of fact, and just take this thing on home with me. There you have it, folks. Gethookedmagicbaits.com. Hundreds of fishing supplies. Be sure and check us out.